Hello everyone. In this video let us talk about iron box. The purpose of an iron box is to remove the wrinkles and creases from a fabric using heat. So let us now talk about the components which are used to generate heat and the material used to produce the iron box. So let's get into this video. And these are the basic iron box models used by many people. And let's now disassemble this iron box and let's check what are the components used inside this iron box to generate heat to remove the wrinkles. So let us now start. This is the outer case, and inside this iron box these are the internal components. In this we can see that this region plays a major role in generating heat, and this is an outer shell. Inside this we have the nichrome wire. This nichrome is made up of nickel. In an electric iron box, nichrome wire serves the primary heating element. It is typically a non-magnetic alloy composed of 80% nickel and 20% chromium. The nichrome alloy is used in iron box as it consists of high electrical resistance. Unlike highly conductive copper, nichrome resists electron flow, causing it to generate significant heat when current passes through it, and it also forms oxidation resistance. When heated for the first time, nichrome forms a protective layer of chromium oxide. This layer prevents further oxidation, allowing the wire to stay red hot for long periods without becoming brittle or burning out. And it also consists of high melting point and mechanical strength. In an electric iron box, a bimetallic strip acts as a thermostat, using the principle of differential thermal expansion to automatically control temperature. When the iron gets too hot, the strip made up of two metals like brass and steel bonded together bends away, breaking the circuit to cut power. And when it cools, it bends back, reconnecting the circuit to reheat the iron, creating an automatic on-off cycle for consistent heat supply. Major component used in this iron box is the here you can see a bimetallic strip which is placed in between these connections, which will break the contact when the heat generated is high. This contact is made up of copper and iron, which as these both plates have different uh, resistance to heat as they expand. In expansion varies, the copper expands faster than the iron, so this causes an variation in the movement of this strip, which will remove the contact between the external circuit where the nichrome wire is connected, so the current supply will turn off. Here you can see the adjustable knob which is used to regulate the temperature, and this knob plays a major role by varying the pressure applied to the bimetallic strip. And here you can see that this knob can be rotated and can vary the pressure applied to the bimetallic strip. If you want to iron a cloth with less temperature, we can adjust this knob by rotating to a low pressure so that the bimetallic strip can expand freely. If you want high heat to iron clothes which has more wrinkles, we can rotate this knob to high pressure so that it takes time for the bimetallic strip to expand. And this light blinks when the current supply is on. Here you can see the connection given to the small light bulb. These connections are given to this strip through which the current supplies to the nichrome wire. So when the bimetallic strip expands, the lamp turns off. So the plate cools down, and after few minutes again the cycle repeats. Few seconds, not few minutes. This is the arrangement used to regulate the heat supplied to the iron box. Thanks for watching.